Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Dynastic MAGLUMI D-dimer CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the D-dimer is a fibrinogen degradation product formed when a blood clot is broken down in the body. It is a test used to measure D-dimer levels in human blood or plasma serum using CLIA technology and MAGLUMI analysis. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic, then product name MAGLUMI D-dimer CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. These are the contents inside this kit. Here we can see the reference number of this kit is 130256008M. Then lot number, then expiry date also. This is a C certificate IVD product. The pictorial representation shows one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. We can already see the manufacturing address of the kit. The manufacturing is from China, so the origin of the kit is China. Here we can see clearly the address. The European representative also we can see. This is the overall front view of this product. We can see the other angles. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Dynastic. Product name, brand name Snibe Dynastic. On this side we can see the product name MAGLUMI D-dimer 130256008M. Then lot number, then explain. This is overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. You can open this side. After opening, we can see clearly a control solutions and also reagent kit, then instruction manuals, all are present in this kit. Now I am going to take one by one. After opening, the first product is instruction manual Snibe Dynastic MAGLUMI D-dimer CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This is a C certificate IVD product. The CAT number of this product is 130256008M. 100 tests per kit. This is the indentives and summary, test principle and reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. So these are the stuff inside the instruction manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is a reagent seal, total of 3 nurses. Here we can see the D-dimer. I'm going to keep this aside. And the next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Dynastic. The next one is control stickers. D-dimer control 1, total of 4 nurses, and D-dimer control 2, total of 4 nurses, total of 8 nurses for both control 1 and control 2. And next one is the control solutions packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking, we can see clearly MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml, D-dimer control 2. This is a control 2. Here we can see volume of 2 ml. Then MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml. I'm sorry, repeat again. This is a MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml. Here you can see clearly volume of 1 ml. D-dimer control 1. White like cap, D-dimer control 1, volume of 1 ml. Then MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml. This is not 2 ml. Volume of 1 ml. D-dimer control 2. So there are two controls. And the final one is a reagent kit. MAGLUMI D-dimer contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label. We can show away from direct sunlight. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is a front view. This is a top view, is sealed. On back side we can see the reagents and solutions. Now we are going for summary. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe diagnostic MAGLUMI D-dimer. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. So on this kit contains one instruction manual, a QC certificate, control stickers for both control and control 2, a reagent seal of 3 notches, volume of 1 ml, a volume of 1 ml, MAGLUMI control 1 and control 2. Then the reagent kit, a 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml ABI label. This is the overall view of this product. Thank you.